everybody, and welcome to the Grim Report. How's everybody doing today? As you can see, yes, that is a real picture. But it is not of the cat I'm going to speak of at first. It is the cat I'm going to speak of at secondly. So, bear with me. This comes from, of course, where I get a lot of my stuff, Coast to Coast. So if you want the full report, please go there. This comes from, like I said, Coast to Coast. But there's this farmer in China. This cat gave birth. His cat gave birth to a kitten with two faces. Yes, one here and one here. It's a rare thing. It was born in Longquay Township of Fijing County in Chongqing on September the 17th. I know this is a little late. Give me some time, okay? According to Sofu.com, citing Chongqing Morning Post, the tiny animal only lived for 2 days and died on the afternoon of September 19th, said the reporter. A bit fruitly, a woman demonstrates how she can crush. Well, the thing is that the two-faced kitten, known as Zhou Shei's cat, was born in China, but died shortly after birth. The kitten's owner said his family had been delighted by the arrival of the mutant cat. The two-faced kitten, known as Zhou Shei's cat. Okay. Well, guys. Then Franklin Louis, the world's oldest Jersey cat, a feline with two faces, died at the age of 15 on Thursday, December 4th, 2014. That's the picture of the cat on the cover. I just called him Frank. As here in the U.S., kitten's mother, a 3-year-old Moggy, gave birth to 5 healthy kittens last year, according to Mr. Liu. Experts claimed it was likely that the kitten had a gene mutation during the fetal development. Two-faced cat, often called genus cat after ancient Roman god of doorways, who had 2 faces looking the future and the past. You guys know about that. A little bit of history there. Two-faced cats don't usually live long. But this one, the second one, lived a pretty good long while. Usually. The feline from Massachusetts, United States, died in 2014 at the age of 15 after previously setting the Guinness World Record recorded in 2012 as the oldest surviving genus cat. See, that's the picture on the front. I wanted to look a little bit more up about these things, so I got you a little bit more information. But like I said, I got this is the full report, so you won't have to go to actually it was the Daily Mail where this was at. But I got the link from the Daily Mail to Coast. Daily Mail's got its own TV show too now, so. But yeah, a two-faced cat. I mean, when I was looking at pictures for this, I was kind of shocked of cats with half black, half white, half black, half gray, half, kind of like Two-Face from the Batman TV show or movies or whatever. The first Two-Face was poorly done. But good actor doing him, but poorly done as in makeup-wise. And second Two-Face was good. I like how they portrayed him to look more like it was more like burnt skin acid, what acid would do to you, really. This was an explosion. Those aren't familiar with the Batman movies, please watch them. If you're not familiar with Two-Face, look him up. I'm not going to go entire comic book story history. But 2 pieces of information for you guys, as well as a little bit of knowledge I know from about comic books. So, now, I don't know how you guys think about this, but I'm thinking about being in the mood, maybe do a little bit of video gaming, playing a little bit of games and stuff like that. Showing you my other things I do. But I don't know if you're interested in that. Let me know in the comments. And like I said, let me recap. Cat, born in China, only lived for a couple of days. But it was born with 2 faces. And then there was a cat that lived for 15 years. Sorry. And it was born with 2 faces. So, yeah, they're not really sure what caused this. Birth defect, maybe. But it just goes to show you, yes, cats do have a limited lifespan. But cats with 2 faces have less of a lifespan. But with that said, you know what I'm going to say. Good luck. Good night. See you on the next Grim Report. And God bless.